Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today let's try to look into the new opportunities, for ServiceNow developer role and for automation testing and for the performance testing. So my HR department is not there, so to not miss, probably I'm making the video for today. Let's try to look into the opportunities because the agenda what we had started to bring the opportunities from the LinkedIn. Okay, so if you are going for the Naukri, right, probably it got overrated because of, let's say, HR is having 2 to 3 opportunities in Naukri database, right? If you look at the automation testers, probably there are thousands of profiles, right? There would be very less chance to pick up your profile, and also there are very less chance to get very good profile for them in HR side also. So if we are presenting some roles, job opportunities, you can directly contact the HR, right? And if you have the good potential, if you have the knowledge at the subject, any technology, you will be crack your interview. Okay. So let's get started actually. So very first job opportunities related to the service now, and next we will be looking into automation testing and the QA related. Okay. So here the role is ServiceNow developer. Okay. ServiceNow developer, they are having 1 to 3 years of experience. So it is very good opportunity because in outside, right, if you keep the profile in Naukri 2 years, 1 year, right, you won't get the calls and schedule will not be happen. So that it is very good opportunities. You can utilize this opportunity probably. And location is Pune, ServiceNow developer role, and the key skill is ITSM. Okay, usually ITSM, if you have the ITSM knowledge, if you have the very good at ITSM, you will be able to gain the knowledge on CMDB also. Remember, it don't take much time to wrap up your things in any module if you learn the ITSM module in ServiceNow. So they haven't mentioned any email ID. So feel free to follow this profile and just ping them, or you can tag her by saying you are looking for the role of the ServiceNow developer, you are good at the subject and all. Okay, Tanvi Nayak, she is actively hiring the ServiceNow developer role for Pune location. Okay. Also, if you are if you are able to see the InfoGain, okay, InfoGain is hiring ServiceNow developer role, but they haven't mentioned any experience what they are looking for. So Rishikesh Sonar, you can feel free to ping him, follow him and ping him, just ask for the referrals. I'm not sure he is from HR department, but it might be useful for many people, so that he had posted this opportunity on LinkedIn. Thank you, Rishikesh Sonar. Yeah, we can thank him. And next opportunity, let's look into the next opportunity. This is ServiceNow developer role. Okay, so you see here, almost they are looking for ServiceNow developer role for Hyderabad. Okay, for Hyderabad they are looking for. So 5 plus integrate ServiceNow ITSM module with variety of enterprise, and experience in ServiceNow discovery and ServiceNow mapping, event management, orchestration use cases. Also, they are looking for implementation in the ITOM. Okay, ITOM module. So probably if you are looking at this complete job profile, right, this is completely related to the ITOM, right? ITOM module they are looking for. ITSM, most of the opportunities will be at the ITSM also, but they are looking for ITOM. Just brush up your skills for the ITOM and apply for this job. It will be definitely useful for you. So they had mentioned the email ID Sai Kumar Okay, you can feel free to share your resume, and you can mention in your resume that you had experience into the item. Just brush up your skills at the item. It don't take much time, right? If you are good at the ITSM, it don't take much time to brush up your skills and apply for this job. And nowadays, right, frankly saying, most of my students also will be asking, sir, in outside, right, we learned ITSM, but outside they are asking HRSD, sir. They are asking for ITOM. They are asking for GRC, sir. No need to be worried, ma. First, learn the things, learn the fundamentals, learn one module fully. If you get the knowledge, probably you can easily learn yourself other modules also, right? No need to be worried. And also, let's see, this is 100% remote. This is very good opportunity, okay? 100% remote, and you can share your resume here. And they haven't mentioned, I think, the experience. Okay, let's see if they had mentioned the experience. They haven't mentioned. Feel free to share your resume. Feel free to share your resume on this email ID. Okay, see, they are having ITSM certification also. They must hold ITSM ServiceNow certification. Probably you just have your certification. CSA certification is fine, right? That would be fine. But most of the companies will not be asked. Few companies will be asked for the certification. Okay. And there is one more opportunity, right? It is 5 to 8 years of experience, and February 14th and 15th there would be F2F interview. The location is the Chennai, right? Chennai location. ITSM is the main module what they are looking for. If you are good at other module, HRSD or ITAM, ITOM, SPM, SecOps, GRC, that would be fine, definitely. If you learn usually ITSM, you can learn these easily, because everywhere will be using same concepts, but the process would be different. Okay, you can try, you can learn additionally any of this module ma. It will be very advantage for you. Okay, so that's it for today or for ServiceNow developer jobs. Let's quickly look into the automation and QA engineer jobs also. Okay, so let's quickly look into the QA engineer related jobs. So if you are not subscribed our channel, feel free to subscribe so that you will not miss any updates, and click on the notification button. So here there is one opportunity, okay, related to the QA. So if this is purely internship job, okay, see, students passion technology join our dynamic internship program. This is very good opportunity for QA and database related and back end front end related. You can be able to implement your projects. See, the next job is QA manual engineer who are experienced in for 3 to 5 years of experience. So if you are having the API testing experience, mobile and database testing, they must have good experience into the Java also, right? Nowadays people are expecting most of the positions are estate positions, people who are able to automate everything, right? They should be good at the programming concepts also, because if my students are going for the interviews, right, in very first round they are asking Java related questions and filtering them out, at least 2 to 3 questions. That is the first round. Definitely the Selenium related, definitely you should be able to answer them whatever you implemented in your current project. Okay, and here the roles and responsibilities, that's it. Perform manual testing for web and mobile applications and APIs. Feel free to share your resume on this email ID. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. I will try to pick up different opportunities. Like mostly we will be focusing on ServiceNow development and QA related, like performance testing and automation testing. So we will come up tomorrow again for a new fresh opportunities. So these are all recent opportunities. Whatever we had provided till now, right? They are very recently opportunities. You can apply and follow with HR and schedule your interview, crack it. Okay. Happy learning, and subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed, and also click on the notification button, because we will be making the videos on daily basis. You don't miss any video. Whenever we are uploaded, we dropped it, probably will get the notified, and you can go through it. If it is a useful, you can apply for it. Thank you so much.